In previous lessons, we did this animation. Let's make some changes. Click on line repeater in composition panel. Press Ctrl D to copy, rename it. Click on right button to rename or just press enter on keyboard. Right here, line repeater ZigZag. As we write here the name, we will add ZigZag. Click add ZigZag. Now let's change ZigZag parameters. Decrease segment, increase size. Let's write segment 3. Now we got this kind of animation. It's because ZigZag is under repeater and trim path. If we'll put it above, we'll get this. As I told it in previous lessons, under parameters are an effect on parameters that above. Now repeater is effect to all. If ZigZag will be under trim path, it will mean that trim path will not be applied on ZigZag. Remember this combination for making such kind of animation. Repeater on down, then trim path, then ZigZag. Now we have this. Let's change sharp corners. Go to ZigZag, change corner to smooth. It's much better. Also, if you want, you can add rotation keyframes. I will show you. Press R on keyboard, click on stopwatch, go to end of animation and change it a little bit. What we get? Okay, but it's not rotate symmetrically because anchor point is not in the center. Let's fix it. Click on shape, go to layer transform, center anchor point in layer content. Now it's look much better. Also, if you want, you can select keyframes, press F9 and change curves on graph editor.